Auzubillahi Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is social study class for grade 3. Last time we did the reading of unit 2, lesson 8, services, and today we are going to start exercise. Come on page number 27. You have to write these questions and answer in your notebook. Okay, dear students, on page number 27 of social study book, you have question number 1. Question 1 is, who might you find working at the following places? Okay, dear students, I will write the question and then I will write the answer. Question 1 is, who might you find might you find working at the following places? Following places. Okay, the places are given. Which one place? First one is a fire station. A fire station. Next one is a police station. A police station. And a hospital. Okay, dear students, what you see at fire station, a police station, and a hospital. So I will write the answer. First one is a fire station. What do you see at fire station? So your right answer here. We see at fire station firefighters, and fire engine. Okay, these two things we see at fire station. Next one is a police station. At police station we see policemen and policewomen. Policemen and police woman. Okay, dear students, and at hospital we can see doctors and nurses. This is answer of question number 1. So you have to note this answer and then come to question number 2. Question number 2 is, question 2, you seen a fire engine? Have you seen a fire engine? Or an ambulance? On the road? Have you seen a fire engine or an ambulance on the road? Where do you think it was going? Where do you think it was going? Okay. The answer is yes. We have often yes, we have often seen a fire engine and ambulance and ambulance. It was going to rescue the people. It was going to rescue the people. Okay, dear students, copy this question and answer. Next one is question 3. What work do the police do? What work do the police do? Mean, what is the duty of police? What they do? The answer is their job is to keep us their job is to keep us and our property safe. Our property safe. This is the job of police. Dear students, there are 3 questions and you have to note this question in your copy. And next one is work page. Come to page number 28. On page number 28, there is work page. Page number 28, work page. In part A, here is a question. Guess who they are. Here the hints are given. On number 1, you write the answer is number 1. You will guess who they are. Here 4 hints are given about this thing. Mean clinic, hospital, sees the patients, suggest medicines. So you will guess who they are. Clinic, hospital, sees the patients, suggests the medicines. Who did this? Doctor. Okay, the answer first one is doctor. Number 2. And number 2, hints are keeps us safe, looks after the law, arrests lawbreakers, and police station. So guess this one. This one is called policeman. You write answer on your book. Policeman. Okay. Next one, number 3 is hints about number 3 are wears a helmet, travels in a red fire engine, rescue trapped people, uses water with long houses, long pipes. Houses mean pipes. So you will guess they are called firefighter. What is the answer of 3? Firefighter. Firefighter. Okay, dear students. Next, number 4 is the hints are clinic, hospital, looks after the patients, is not a doctor. So, is not a doctor mean it will be nurse. Okay, dear students, this is one page, part A. And first you have to write doctor, and number 2 you have to write policeman, and number 3 you have to write firefighter, and number 4 you have to write nurse. Next, part B is fill in the blanks. So blanks are given, so you will guess the answer of that blanks. There are 5 fill in the blanks. Okay. Okay, dear students, part A is fill in the blanks. You have to write these answers on your book. Okay. Number 1 is the dash directs the traffic on the road. Who directs the traffic on the road? Traffic police. Okay. The answer is traffic police. Okay, dear students, the traffic police directs the traffic on the road. Next one is if there is dangerous fire in your house, the dash can be called to put out. Okay, if there is dangerous fire in your house, what should we call? We should call fire engine. Okay, fire engine. If there is dangerous fire in your house, the fire engine can be called to put out. Number 3 is people who provide free help to the poor are doing a dash. They are doing social welfare service. They are doing social welfare service. Understand? People who provide free help to the poor are doing a social welfare service. Number 4 is a firefighter wears a dash to protect his head and neck. What he here? A firefighter wears a on the head helmet. A firefighter wears a helmet to protect his head and neck. Last one is people who need urgent medical attention are rushed to a dash in and dash. They rush to a hospital. Hospital in an ambulance. Okay, dear students, you have tried question answer and do work page on the book and share your question answer and this work page answer to your subject teacher. Okay, dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.